Yeah, we just added 1 cup of peanut butter right into our bowl. We're gonna add 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. Now you just wanna mix that all together, the sugar, the peanut butter, and the egg, you guys, that is it. So far we have 3 ingredients going on and you are going to love these cookies. Holy cow, they should be a sin, I swear. Okay, so just mix that all up until you get a really good consistency where you can tell all the sugar is mixed in with that peanut butter. Ooh, that looks so good. I love peanut butter. All right, that is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that off. Oh, you know what? I think I'm just gonna have to lick it. We are off to a great start. Grab yourself a scoop of your peanut butter, sugar, and egg mixture. And we're just gonna start to place them right here onto our baking sheet, scooping out these delicious peanut butter cookies. Oh my gosh, you guys probably have the ingredients for these cookies already at your house. Do you? Peanut butter, 1 egg, and sugar? I mean, come on. Who does not have that lying around? I swear I think I have like 3 different jars of peanut butter in my pantry, which also brings me to the question of what kind of peanut butter would you use? Would you try this with a different kind? Ooh, what if you used like the flavor peanut butter? I wasn't even thinking about that, but I bet you that would be super delicious. Okay, let's scoop our last one in. Oh my goodness, there we go. All right, let's just slide these guys right over here. We're gonna add a last finishing touch. I just put a little bit of sugar on this plate and I'm just gonna use it to coat my fork. I like to do this when I come in and push down on flatten these. You see how it just gives like a little bit of that sugar on top, and it also keeps your fork from sticking. So you can just kind of brush it in a little bit of sugar and then put it on top. Although if you do have a better technique, please tell me all about it on the comments. I would love to hear. And then look at that. Just go through and push all of those peanut butter cookies. And we are almost there, folks. We are almost there. Look at how delicious those look. And we're not even done yet. I cannot wait to break these apart after they cook, and you can see how delicious they are, how soft they are. Oh, they're gonna be phenomenal. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for about 15 minutes, and stick around because I wanna show you how it turns out. All right, our peanut butter cookies are all done. They smell fabulous and look fantastic, you guys. I'm gonna take this one right in the front. Look at that, that turned out so great. I love the markings from the fork. Ooh, they were done perfectly on the bottom. And you know what, even before I dig in, I just wanna break it apart and see, look at how nice and soft that is. Can you believe it? Can you believe that that was 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg? Get off your couch, go into your pantry, see if you have those ingredients and whip these up, you guys, because you are not gonna be disappointed. You're welcome. Here's your new favorite. Oh my goodness. Maybe next time I would even add chocolates to this. I don't know. What would you do? Oh, this is a keeper. Home run, you guys. Delicious.